silver light. Rain whispers secrets on stone. Shadows kneel where gods have flown. A Koto hums, the air turns thin. Each note a thread unraveling sin. Under the moonlit shrine we pray. Fingers trace the edge of yesterday. Taiko beats the heart alive. Stillness breaks in sacred signs. The rain keeps falling, falling, calling, falling. Shamisen strings cut through the haze. Silent warriors dance in the gray. Shakuhachi breath, a ghostly guide. Echoes rise where fears collide. The 808's pulse, a tether to ground. But spirits lift when no chains are bound. Lantern flames flicker, no wind stirs. A moment stretch, the soul transfers. Under the moonlit shrine we pray. Fingers trace the edge of yesterday. Taiko beats the heart alive. Stillness breaks in sacred signs. The rain keeps falling, 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 drone of the bass, earth sighs deep. Strings swell, heavy shadows creep. A chant arises, layered clear. Whispered truths the gods will hear. Feet on stone, the battle awaits. But peace resides in the shrine's embrace. Breath hangs low, mist straps tight. Shrine gaze loom in the silver light. Rain whispers secrets on stone. Shadows kneel where gods have flown. A Koto hums, the air turns thin. Each note a thread unraveling sin. Under the moonlit shrine we pray. Fingers trace the edge of yesterday. Taiko beats the heart alive. Stillness breaks in sacred sight. The rain keeps falling, calling, calling.
cut through the haze. Silent warriors dance in the gray. Shakuhachi breath, a ghostly guide. Echoes rise where fears collide.
The 808's pulse, a tether to ground, but spirits live where no chains are bound. Lantern flames flicker, no wind stirs, a moment stretch, the soul transfer. Under the moonlit shrine we pray, fingers trace the edge of yesterday. Taiko beats the heart alive, stillness breaks in sacred sound. The rain keeps falling, 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 calling, drone of the bass, earth sighs deep, strings swell heavy, shadows creep. The chant arises, layer clear, whisper truths the gods will hear. Feet on stone,